Come here, Willow.
Hey, Mama.
We gotta do a fecal exam on her. It's been almost 14 days since I treated her, and we'll see how she's doing with parasites. And I get my wife to do the crappy job. She gets to dig it out of the hind end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, here, let me lock this. Good girl, Willow. Mama. She don't like to stay. What are you doing? Come here. Stay.
What's up, baby? Sorry, Mama. I know this isn't fun.
Yeah, they don't like having their... Oh my gosh. There we go. Easy, girl. Last time I just followed her around. Boy, she's lost weight. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right on.
That's it, Mama.
Good girl. All right, now we'll go do an exam. Hey, Bear Kiddo, how you doing? All right, so we're back inside. I'm getting ready to mix all this up, and then I got the camera, this, so we can see on screen. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And we'll be able to see it on screen. The microscope, you'll be able to see in real time what I'm seeing as we look for parasites. So, all right, let's get this started. Got this on a tripod, sorry about that. Ooh, I gotta need light to do this. So let me get this mixed up, and then we'll take a look under there and we'll see what's going on. Alright. So we went outside. My wife, of course, she did the crappy part. She got the fecal matter, and then I take 2 grams, around 2 grams of this with 60 milliliters of the solution to make the cells, or the eggs float to the top. And so that's what we'll be looking at here. I get this all put together. So let me get this all chopped up, mixed up, weighed out, and we'll get her going. Alright, so I got my fecal matter ready, right around 2 grams. Now I'm getting ready to add 60 cc's of this here, which is sodium nitrate, and purified water, which will give me gravity for suspension for the eggs to float to the top so I can see them in the microscope. So that's what I'm doing right now. So right now I'm mixing it all up, and check this out. I opened up the window, but I didn't have my normal thing for keeping it up, so I had to use a shotgun to pry open the window. Yeah, my wife thought that was funny. Alright, we'll get this together, and then we'll get to look at it through this. This is going to be so cool. I don't know why it did that.
Yeah.
Anyway, let me run this line. That's outside. See, that one's outside, so I don't count it. So right now we're at 2. Boy, this makes it so much easier.
Okay, is it outside the actual thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Because that's the edge of it right there. That's the one I
Okay.
did. Now we're on the second one over. So we've got 2 right now. Of what looks to me like the same thing. Which I'm not sure if it's barber pole or the bank ripworm. Run this line over, run this one down. Okay, so I think everybody's getting the idea. There's one right.
3.
3. No, was that from the last one?
I don't think so.
4.
4. Yeah.
What we got right now? 3?
4.
4. 5. Right there. 5.
That's 5.
6. 7.
I don't know what that black one was.
Okay, that's good. Anyway, that's what we got going on, so you have an idea. All right, thanks for joining us. All right, we just did the math, and I treated her 14 days ago. She had a load of 1,500 and of this one parasite. So I treated her and checked her again. Now it's been 14 days, and her load's down to 750, so it's about in half. And I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to try to kill off all the parasite because it will become used to it will become used to the parasite medication, anti-parasitic medication I've been giving them. And so it's best to leave it there and see if it controls itself. I'll check her again like in a month or 3 weeks and see where she's at then. So, all right.